Deliu, at Aaron Deliu on the Instagram. Look at faces and all favorite social media sites. He's an air racer, an aerobatic legend from Australia. He's here with you now at the Wings of Pride Air Show, Branson.
Yep, the air is good. Like this for hold on. Are you ready for a salute to the veterans?
Man, we are ready. Are you going to park this thing right there in the sky?
I'm going to try.
He disappeared again. There must be a canyon right there.
We're going to see him come.